Hey everyone, so the title of what's in my camera bag is somewhat misleading. Every time I go to a shoot, I always pack differently depending on the shoot. Different shoots require different gear, so telling you what's in my camera bag is just kind of saying a few of my favorite things. So what I thought I might do today is, instead of showing you what's in my camera bag, is showing you what's in my camera bag for 3 specific scenarios. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using the Thinktank Urban Approach 15. This is one of my oldest bags. I love it. I've used it so many times for so many shoots, and I always pack it different. So let's go through the 3 scenarios. So scenario 1 is going to be a real estate shoot. For real estate shoots, you need wide lens, you need a gimbal, you need a drone, and all those things are in here. So I love this bag because it is a heavy duty beast, and I can pack it and I know my stuff's going to be safe, and it's just been a great bag that I've always trusted. So what's in my bag? Camera of choice for real estate, EOS R6. I have the EF to R adapter, and I have the 16 to 35 2.8. Need a wide lens for real estate, and this is my choice. I also have the Ronin S plate on there because I'm going to be using a gimbal, but it just lives on there for the shoot. Next up is the drone. It's the Mavic 2 Pro. This is my trusty drone. I've been using it for everything. Don't use it as much for real estate anymore because I do a lot of condos, but it stays in there. Along with the drone, you have an extra battery and you have the remote. Extra battery is key, and you can't fly without the remote. Also in my bag, I keep a Rode Wireless Go. It's a great little kit to have just in case the realtor wants to do a talkover or any kind of talking heads. This literally lives in my bag because it's so small and so reliable that I don't go anywhere without it. One of the last things in the bag is a flash. Now, I don't use the flash for real estate a lot because the R6 can handle it, but it's the kind of thing that I don't want to not have it if I get there. Last thing on the top of the bag is the bottom parts to the Ronin S. So you have the tripod and the battery, and those guys just live in there. Now, before I get to the back of the bag, we have the pouches in the front. There's 2 great pouches. So in the top, I have what you always need: memory cards. I'm using a Thinktank memory card holder, and it's bright red so I can always find it. Also, business cards. You always have them, but you never get them out. Bottom pouch, 2 extra batteries. I have the control cable for the Ronin S, and the old trusty lens pen. Flip it over to the back where the laptop compartment is. This is a great place to actually hide the top part of the gimbal. It's awkward, it's big, it's obnoxious, but keep it in the back, it's kind of dead out of the way. Then slide it together, and you have everything you need to do a real estate shoot. So what's in my camera bag part 2 is going to be event coverage. This is where you have to capture images, put to music, make an awesome recap video. So let's look what's in the Thinktank. So for this scenario, I actually have a cinema camera. I have the Canon C200. With the Canon C200, you need a bunch of accessories. So if you strip it down, you can put it in a small bag. So you have the grip, you have the monitor, battery, or batteries if you have 2. I have a second grip, smaller grip, just for stability. Blower for the sensor. I have 2 lenses because it's event coverage. So I have a 24-70 and a 16 to 35. Now, I don't record audio too much at these events because, like I said, it's just music after, but I always bring a small recorder just in case someone needs it. I can always get the audio and then match it in post. And of course, we have our memory card holder, our Thinktank memory card holder, and we have our trusty lens pen. There's business cards in there somewhere, but this is what's in my camera bag for event shooting. Now, on to the next one. Okay, so let's go through scenario number 3. Scenario number 3, let's call it a hike or like a day trip. And this is not professional, this is just you out in the world. Your camera bag is actually a great just backpack in general because you can keep your camera stuff in it, and you take a lot of the dividers out, you can actually keep all your personal stuff in it. So back to the Thinktank Urban Approach 15. Let's see what we got in this bag. So just for this scenario, you're bringing 1 camera and it's just like a hike or something. Let's call it a hike. And I'm just bringing 1 camera, 1 lens. So I'm bringing the R6 and I'm bringing the 28 to 70. This is a great versatile lens. I can take photos with it all day, but I can leave in my bag if I don't want to take photos and just want to hike. So that's the camera portion of it. But look at all the stuff you can actually fit in here. So bring mics if I need it. I got food for the hike, so a couple granola bars. I got a couple fruit to go's. I actually have an orange. And check this out. I have a full jacket light jacket, extra pair of socks, extra t-shirt. In the back here, I have a couple extra batteries for the camera. I have my trusty lens pen. I have my memory card holder. And just in case I'm on the hike and I reach some other clients or potential clients, I have my business card. Now, that's not actually it, because in the back, I think one of the most underutilized things in these camera bags, the laptop pouch, you can keep stuff, and it's fantastic. That's not a laptop. So in this scenario, I have a raincoat. So in this bag for this hike day, I'm good for colder weather, I'm good for rain. I have my camera if I need it. I can even keep my wallet, which I have, in the outside, so it's not rubbing against my pocket. Phone can stay in here, everything can stay in here. These bags and what's in my camera bag can vary. It can go from full professional shoots to just a day out. I don't even need to put my camera bag in here. I could put just hiking stuff in here, more food, whatnot. What's in my camera bag is such a general statement, and you can literally put anything in there. These videos should actually be titled a few pieces of gear that I use that happen to be in this camera bag. Thanks for watching, everybody, and have a great day.